How to get your Spotify account back. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get your Spotify account back. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes Spotify could have deactivated or disabled your account for some reason, and then you might want to get your account back. The only way you can do that is just try to log into that account and see what it says, because if it doesn't log you in from the app, you can go to spotify.com and log into your account here. Once you enter your email and password, just see what it tells you. Sometimes it might ask you to verify email and so on, and if it tells you to do that, go ahead and verify your email or phone number to log into your account. Now if you're talking about, let's say you don't remember your current password, and the way that you can reset it is by simply using your email address. So tap on the login button here, and if you don't remember your password and you'd like to get your account back, you can just tap on the forgot your password option, enter the email address that you would like to use here. It will send a verification code to that email, and then you'll be able to reset your password in that regard. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get your Spotify account back. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.